Hi everyone. For this lesson, we are going to learn how to create an Ogive graph, also known as cumulative frequency graph, by using Microsoft Excel. An Ogive helps us understand how data accumulates over intervals. It's especially useful when analyzing exam scores, age, or any group of data. Let's start creating the Ogive. First, you need to open the Microsoft Excel and choose the blank workbook. From the data given, here I'm using the data from your workbook. In order to create the Ogive, you need to prepare your data in the Excel form so that we can use directly the data during creating the Ogive. To begin, we need to add a new row for the new interval with the frequency equal to 0. Then we also need to add two new columns for the upper class boundaries and cumulative frequency. You can separate the new columns just like in this video. Then you can fill up the column for the upper boundaries and also for the cumulative frequency column. For cumulative frequency column, you can calculate it manually or you can just use the formula in the Excel. When the column for upper boundaries and cumulative frequencies are ready, then we can proceed to the next step of creating the Ogive. Make sure your data is sorted in the ascending order. Now, highlight both columns for the upper class boundaries and the cumulative frequencies. Then, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon, click on Insert Scatter XY chart and choose Scatter with smooth line. These types of chart will help you to create a smooth ogive curve. You will see your graph appear on the worksheets like this. Let's make your ogive clearer and more presentable. First, you need to modify the horizontal axis. Double-click horizontal axis, choose Format Axis, then choose Axis option to reset your bound minimum to 80 for this ogive and reset the maximum to 100. Modify the vertical axis, double-click the vertical axis, do the same thing just like the horizontal axis before. Reset bounds minimum to 0 and reset maximum to 90. All the value for the maximum and minimum bound are referring to our data. Next, we want to label our horizontal axis as the upper boundary and the vertical axis as cumulative frequency. Go to Ogive, then double-click at the horizontal axis. Then you can see the menu of Add Chart Element at the ribbon display option located at the left top of your window. Click the menu and choose the axis title, then click Primary Horizontal. Then rename the axis with the upper boundary. Repeat once again for the vertical axis. Add chart element, axis title, and choose primary vertical. Then rename your axis to the cumulative frequency. Don't forget to rename the title for the ogive. Here, I just give the title as ogive. You can give any title for your ogive, follow the given data. Next, if you want the point on the ogive show the number of the cumulative frequency, you can click on the line of the ogive, then right-click to choose Add Data Label, then click Add Data Labels. You can play around with the various menu over there to make your ogive look nice and style them as you like. You also can change the line color or line thickness by click the right click button on your mouse and choose Format Data Series to change the color. Now, your ogive is complete. You can use it to estimate the median or quartiles, identify cumulative pattern, and compare the data distribution. And that's it. You have successfully created an ogive graph in Microsoft Excel. Remember, the key idea of an ogive is to show how frequencies build up cumulatively across interval. Practice with different data set to get more comfortable using Excel graphing tools. Thank you for watching and learning. Now you can open your Excel and try creating your own Ogive graph. Thank you. See you when I see you. Bye bye.